In this video, we want to show you how to save 3D objects for 3D printing. We are supporting the STL file format. Add the modules SoScene Loader, SoBackground and SoExaminer Viewer to your workspace and connect them as seen in the video. Select the file vtkcow.object from MeVisLab demo data directory. Open SoExaminer Viewer and inspect the scene. You will see a 3D cow. Add a SoSphere to the workspace and connect it to your viewer. Define the radius of your sphere to 2 and inspect your viewer. You can also define a material for your sphere. We just want to show that you can combine loaded and generated 3D files in MeVisLab Open Inventor scenes. Add a SoScene Writer module to your workspace. The SoExaminer Viewer has a hidden output which can be shown on pressing space. Connect the SoScene Writer to the output. Name your output.stl file and select STL ASCII as output format so that we can inspect the result afterwards. Write your scene and open the resulting file in your preferred editor. As an alternative, you can also open the file in an STL file reader like Microsoft 3D Viewer. For loading your STL file in MeVisLab, you can use a SoScene Loader and a SoExaminer Viewer. Please note, STL files describe only the surface geometry of a three-dimensional object without any representation of color, texture or other common CAD model attributes. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.